Hi everyone, this is Lucy. Today I'm barbecuing 2 whole chickens in my backyard. First, I'm preheating the grill in high temperature. Clean under running water the chicken. Make sure you sanitize your sink before and after working with the chickens. Detach the skin from the chicken and cut off any undesirable fat. For a nice color on the chicken, I'm boiling 1 cup of vegetable oil with 1/2 of a cup of annatto seeds. This will bring a nice color to the chicken. Boil them until the seeds turn black and then drain and discard the seeds. Let the oil cool for a few minutes. I'm mixing the oil in my blender with about 8 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 6 to 8 cilantro leaves, which will give a nice boricua Puerto Rican flavor, 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano, which can be dry, and 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro. You will get a really nice thick oil to rub the chicken. With the oil mixture, I cover the entire chicken with it. I'm going to rub the entire chicken with the oil. Don't forget the back. Between the skin and inside the chicken. Then I sliced a stick of butter at room temperature and placed large pieces under the skin of the chicken. Don't forget the legs. Once I finish with the rub, then I tie the legs and the wings with kitchen twine. Okay, we're almost done with this preparation. Remember, the instructions and the amount of ingredients I'm using in this recipe are in the description below this video. I'm using the leftover butter and oil for basting the chickens while barbecuing. The chicken should be on a baking rack to drip the oil and fat. Cover with aluminum foil, close the grill, and cook for 1 hour. This is the end of the first hour. You might notice I had to place aluminum foil under the chicken to avoid the flames from burning the chicken too soon. Baste the chicken with the leftover oil and butter. Close the grill and let it bake for another hour. This is the end of the second hour. I'm flipping over the chicken and basting the back of the chicken. Notice that after the first hour, I'm cooking the chicken on cover. And see, the aluminum foil is avoiding those flames to burn my chicken. You can also use a cookie sheet for that purpose. Close the grill and let it cook for the last hour. During the last cooking hour, check your chicken frequently. The chicken is done when it reaches at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a really juicy and delicious recipe for your summer grilling. Hope to see you again, and don't forget to subscribe and come back to see me again. Buen provecho, bye bye.